Narendra Modi has achieved yet another feather in his cap by sweeping the local elections held on Sunday by winning 47 of the 75 municipal corporations across the state. But the big highlight of BJP's win was its victory in the Salaya municipality in the Jamnagar district of Saurashtra, where 90% of the population is Muslim.
45-year-old Salim Mohammad Bagad is a political veteran in Salaya. Been part of every political hue from Congress to Samta Party. He's seen it all, but the recent political affiliation is something that has drawn him into the spotlight. He leads a group of 27 Muslims who contested on the BJP ticket for the Muslim-dominated Salaya municipality. All of them have won. A first in the post-independence history of the township with 90% Muslim population. Something that has set jubilation in the BJP camp and cheers for Chief Minister Narendra Modi. So what made him don the saffron colours in a town which has been a Congress bastion? The developmental agenda of the Gujarat Chief Minister, he says. But the decision for a switchover has been tough.
मेरे को खुद को ऊपर बहुत कॉन्फिडेंस था कि अगर मेरे को विकास करना है तो भाजपा में लड़ूं तो ही मैं विकास करूं, बाकी खाली पीली मेरे को नगर पालिका लेने का कोई मतलब नहीं था.
With a population of over 30,000, the town till over a decade back was notorious for smuggling activity. This small-time port was the offloading point for contraband goods, so it always remained on the radar of the anti-terror squad. With this infamous tag, the town fell off the developmental map. No roads, no electricity, no water. It seems Salaya was nobody's baby. But things started to change 3 years ago, when Salim changed political colours and donned saffron. 5 along with him won the Nagar Palika polls in 2010, and that opened the floodgates.
नरेंद्र मोदी साहब ने उसका खजाना खोल दिया कि जितना भी पैसा चाहिए सलाह को इसका विकास के लिए किधर रुकना चाहिए, और 2.5 साल में आज तक कोई पैसा हमको रोका नहीं है. हर दिन काम चालू है और पब्लिक भी बहुत खुश हो गई है.
From concrete roads to uninterrupted chlorinated water supply, round-the-clock electricity, new street lights, it seemed that the town was back on the government radar. 65-year-old Jannat Bibi's family is a traditional Congress supporter. She had earlier contested the Nagar Palika polls on a Congress ticket and then Samta Party. But today, she's a victorious BJP Nagar Palika member.
हम पानी में बहुत तकलीफ है, अभी पानी हमारे पास फुल है. अभी रोड ऐसा निकला है कि हमारा किधर भी पग हमारा गारे थी नहीं भराता है. और बरसात आती है तो हम इतना गिर जाता था. अभी ऐसा रोड है, हमको कोई भी तकलीफ नहीं है. कोई चीज की अभी तकलीफ नहीं है हमको.
Salim will soon be elected as the president of the Nagar Palika, and his vision is to transform Salaya further. Like he says, Modi transformed Gujarat.
The endorsement of his developmental avatar by this small Muslim town could perhaps provide chance to Narendra Modi to make his journey towards a larger political destination a little less bumpy. In Salaya, with Mushtaq Dal, Rohit Ban for NDTV.